Hello everyone. Welcome back to another monthly update for the SOXL challenge. It's Friday evening, October 17th, 2025. Before we jump into the numbers, I have to give myself a quick pat on the back. Remember my SOXL breakout coming video from June 14th, 2025? I called that breakout right when SOXL hit $20, and we've witnessed an incredible 100% rally since then. That video dove deep into the technical setup and historical patterns that pointed to this exact scenario. If you missed it, definitely check it out after this update. Let's talk numbers. SOXL closed today at $40, that's a solid jump from last month's $33. This has been quite the roller coaster year for us. We saw SOXL peak at $36 back on January 22, 2025. Then that brutal crash down to $7 on April 7, 2025. The recovery really kicked into gear, and SOXL even went up to $43 on October 6, 2025. Let's examine the SOXX daily chart in detail. SOXX is currently positioned at $288. For those new to the channel, SOXL is a triple leveraged ETF that magnifies the daily movements of SOXX, which tracks leading U.S. semiconductor companies. As of today's close, SOXX is maintaining its position above both the SMA 50 purple line and the SMA 200 green line. To be more specific, SOXX broke above the SMA 50 purple line on May 6, 2025, and successfully cleared the SMA 200 green line on June 4, 2025. On September 18, 2025, SOXX hit a brand new all-time high of $268. Surpassing the previous record of $267 from July 11, 2024. We witnessed a golden cross formation on July 8, 2025, when the SMA 50 purple line crossed above the SMA 200 green line. The previous golden cross occurred back in January 2023. Following that signal, SOXX embarked on an incredible 18-month rally that culminated in a July 2024 all-time high of $267. If history repeats, we still have potentially 15 months of upside ahead of us. There's one more technical element I want to highlight, the SMA 20 black line. This faster moving average reflects short-term momentum. SOXX had been trading above the SMA 20 black line for 3 consecutive months starting April 24, 2025, which signaled bullish strength. However, SOXX slipped below the SMA 20 black line 3 times in August 2025, first in early August, then a second time on August 20, 2025, and then a third time in late August. Even in early September 2025, SOXX dipped below the SMA 50 purple line for 3 days. However, SOXX was able to rebound above both the SMA 50 purple line and the SMA 20 black line. On October 10, 2025, SOXX touched the SMA 20 black line but rebounded right away. Currently, SOXX is trading well above the SMA 20 black line. Moving into November 2025, it will be crucial to monitor whether SOXX can maintain its position above the SMA 50 purple line or, at minimum, find support and bounce from the SMA 200 green line. Now, let's review 4 previous SOXX runs since 2015. On August 24, 2015, SOXX dipped to $25, but it climbed to $65 on March 12, 2018. This first run returned 260% profit during the period of 2 years 7 months. The second run was from $48 on December 26, 2018, to $89 on February 14, 2020. This second run returned 185% profit during the period of 1 year 2 months. The third run was from $55 on March 18, 2020, to $186 on January 4, 2022. This third run returned 338% profit during the period of 1 year 10 months. The fourth run was from $96 on October 13, 2022, to $267 on July 11, 2024. This fourth run returned 278% profit during the period of 1 year 9 months. Overall, the mean of these 4 SOXX runs is 265% profit during a mean period of 22 months. The range of profits was between 185% to 338%. Since our current run started on April 7, 2025, at $148, it can go up to between $274, based on 185% from the second run, and $500, based on 338% from the third run. Let's see how much SOXX will go higher during this fifth run. During the first half of October 2025, semiconductor stocks saw a dramatic reversal. The sector rallied through October 9th, fueled by strong optimism around the AI boom. This positive sentiment shifted abruptly on October 10th when President Trump threatened new tariffs on China. The sell-off intensified the following week amid reports of potential U.S. export controls on advanced AI chips to China. This double blow caused a steep decline through October 17th, as investors feared the loss of the crucial Chinese market. The negative outlook was compounded by cautious guidance from key supplier ASML, further pressuring equipment makers. Now let's review my trading activity and current holdings. I'm not adding new shares this month since I've already invested over $14,000 during the first 2 years of this challenge. Going forward, I'm sticking to my plan of approximately $7,000 in annual investments. In my Roth IRA, I'm holding 354 shares at an average cost of $24.71. The current value is approximately $14,270 with unrealized gains of about $5,500. That's a solid 63% return. My taxable account holds 525 shares with a current market value of approximately $21,170. Combined, that's 879 total shares worth about $35,400, up from last month's $29,000. My game plan hasn't changed. For the Roth IRA, I can take profits at 30% plus gains to maximize tax-free growth. However, with SOXL's potential to hit $60 plus, I'm holding tight for now. For the taxable account, I'm diamond handing until we see SOXL above $60. Long term, I want to funnel all future investments through the Roth IRA for maximum tax efficiency. My core philosophy remains the same: buy SOXL under $25, preferably around $10, and sell above $60. Looking at the historical pattern, we see major dips every 2 to 3 years. We had $4.33 in March 2020, $6.21 in October 2022, and $7.23 in April 2025. Similarly, we see peaks every 2 to 3 years with $74 in December 2021 and $70 in July 2024. This isn't about perfect timing, it's about capitalizing on SOXL's inherent volatility while maintaining strict risk management. I completely avoid margin trading to keep things conservative. Despite the volatility we've experienced, my conviction in semiconductors remains rock solid. AI, cloud computing, and high-performance computing are still in the early innings of a massive transformation. SOXL has historically delivered outsized returns during bull cycles, and I believe we're still in the early phases of this current cycle. Patient investors who stay disciplined through the inevitable ups and downs will likely be rewarded with substantial long-term capital appreciation. That's your October 2025 SOXL Challenge update. We've seen incredible momentum with new all-time highs in SOXX and strong gains in our SOXL position. While volatility is always part of the game, the long-term wealth-building opportunity remains intact. This challenge is about patience, discipline, and maintaining that long-term vision. We're in this for the marathon, not the sprint. If this update added value for you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for monthly updates, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement keeps this community strong and growing. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and keep building that wealth mindset. I'll catch you next month with another update. Peace out, SOXL family.